Hello, boys and girls. So happy Tuesday. We're going to talk about our day 17 packet, okay? And just like yesterday, there's a few new things on here that I want to go over just so you know what to do, okay? So just like we've done every day the last couple weeks, we're going to work on our cover sheet, which is our math right here. And the first one says circle the number that is larger. Do you remember what larger means? Larger is the bigger number, the greater number, the number that has more. So I circled 9 because 9 is bigger than 3. Over here it says to fill in the number, the 10 frame. So we know that in a 10 frame there are 10 spots. And when they're all filled, we know that's the number 10. But it wants us to make a 14. So that doesn't mean we fill in 14 dots. That means we need to add some to 10 to make 14. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, can you hear me coloring? 3, and 4. And let me show you what I did. So 10 dots plus 4 dots equal 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Very good. So that's how you do that. So we worked on focusing on just on the 10 frame, and now we're going into teen numbers. So we're doing big kid stuff. Let's go over here to subtraction. Make the bunny hop backwards on the number line. So he's going to hop backwards. Have you ever hopped backwards before? It's a little hard, isn't it? So the bunny's on number 8 right here, but he's going to go backwards 5. Are you ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So where does that put him? He landed on number 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. There's a couple of ways to learn subtraction. So that's just another way to learn it. Down here, we're going to make the bunny hop backwards 2 times. 6 minus 2. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 4. He landed on the number 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now let's talk about these 3D shapes. Do you remember? A cube. What does a cube look like? How about a cylinder? Or a pyramid? I'm going to see if you get them right. A sphere, that one's hard to say, and a cone. These are our 3D shapes. So let's see if your paper looks like mine. If you need to pause the video so you can catch up with me, you can do that. Now let's go on the back. We have our long U sounds today. We're going to make words with long U, like uniform. Do you see this right here? That is a tube. That is a tube. I'm going to spell tube. Are you ready? T-U. Do you hear that long U? And then B. And then do you know what? If I were to just leave it like that, that does not spell tube. Do you know what that spells? It spells tub. But I want a tube, so I have to add super E. He's our silent E at the end. Very good. Now we're going to spell, there's tube, we're going to spell cube. 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 Did I spell cube? No, boys and girls. I spelled cub. But I want a long U sound. So that means I have to have silent E at the end. I have to have super E right at the end. Cube. Very good. And then we have a story. Let me read it to you. She plays with blocks. The blocks are cubes. The blocks are red, blue, and yellow. The blocks are fun. I had to read that part again. The blocks are fun. And here's the 2 questions. She plays with, and you have to choose the right word. The blocks are, and you have to choose the right word again. Remember, the bottom is just for extra practice, okay? The next thing on your packet for today is a number test. We're going to go over the number test. And then a phonics review. This one we'll do together. So your number test, let me show you. It has a yellow box at the top. Boys and girls, we've done a lot of tests in K-5. Do you remember what a yellow box means?